Hi, this is Brother Sean with eLearning Brothers. In this screencast, I'd like to show you how to transform our illustrated cartoon characters into these kind of large head bobblehead characters. So what I've done is I've gone out to our eLearning template library and I've downloaded the work files for each one of our illustrated character sets. Now there's two different sets of work files out here. There's the Adobe Illustrator files, which are the AI files, and there's also the .eps file. So depending on what software you're using to edit the characters, you might need one or the other. I'm using Adobe Illustrator, so I downloaded the AI files. Alright, so once I've got it opened up, let me just go ahead and start with one of our characters just right up here at the top. So our object is to really enlarge the head here, and we want to be careful not to enlarge the neck though. So when you click on these, you'll notice all the little blue outlines. That means this object right here, all these elements are grouped together. So we'll need to ungroup these things because once again, I don't want to enlarge the neck area. I just want the chin, the hair, and everything else on the face. So if I right click on that, I can go ungroup, then unselect it, and keep doing it until you ungroup the neck area. So it might take a few different times. Every time I ungroup it, it's ungrouping different elements from a group. So this particular group has a lot of elements and objects. Now when I click on the neck object, you see that the face isn't selected. So that means I've ungrouped enough elements now to do the enlarging. Next, I want to select all the head element from the chin, the face, the hair, and all those. So I'm going to click outside of the object and drag a box over all those elements. It's okay if I get some of the neck because I'm going to deselect that in a second. Now if I hold down Shift, I can unselect pieces of the neck now, and I'm going to get the shadow here on the neck also and unselect that. So you notice that the only things that are outlined in blue now is the chin, the face, all of the glasses, all the hair and the highlights. All those elements are there. Now if I right click on that, I can group those. So now if I go and select anything on the face or the hair, all the head and everything is selected. And the chin, if I select that, or the neck or the shadow, none of the face is selected. So that's perfect. Alright, next we can actually do the enlarging. So I'm going to zoom out a little. And if I hold down Shift while I transform, everything stays in proportion. And then you can just kind of reposition the head now to be centered just above the shadow here, because you still want a little bit of a shadow on the neckline. And make it as big as you like. And let's go ahead and zoom out to see what it looks like. And there you go. There's a bobblehead illustrated character head. And all you need to do is just export this out as an individual PNG. So I like to actually just select the whole object, copy it, by going up to Edit, Copy, and then I open up a new illustrated document. I paste it into that, and then I go and do a Save As or Export, depending on what kind of file type I want after that. Anyway, that's how you make the bobblehead illustrated character sets. Hopefully this is helpful for you.